Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session we are discussing thermistor, NTC, PTC, negative temperature coefficient resistor, positive temperature coefficient resistor. When we say a resistor, it provides resistance in flow of current. Normal resistance, standard resistance, its resistance is constant. At a wide range of temperature there is slight change. But there is special resistor, its resistance will change with change in temperature. A simple resistance, its resistor value remains stable while change in temperature. But thermistor, either NTC, either PTC, its resistance will change with change in temperature. This NTC, its resistance is 8 ohm. When I will heat it up, we can see its resistance is decreasing. Here is 100 ohm PTC. When it is heating up, its resistance is increasing. When the temperature will increase, resistance decrease. Temperature decrease, resistance increase. Check again. Now its resistance is 0. When high temperature, resistance dropped. But this one, its resistance is increasing with increase in temperature. So this is difference between NTC and PTC. Thanks for watching.